This video is going to demonstrate a web page that has either free open source tools that you can use to create presentations or other tools that are available to you as a student or faculty or staff member at GGC. So from your research guide, look for the page that says research presentation and other resource tools. Usually if it's on a research guide, it will be near the bottom of the page. So this guide just lists different tools that are available to you. We have Adobe Spark, so this just links to that. Many of these are infographic tools and other types of presentation tools. So Infogram, if you want to learn how to use Infogram to make an infographic or other type of graphic art for a project, this is a link to it. And then also there's how-to tutorials, and so there's all sorts of tools if you just scroll through here. Here's one called Kahoot. This is a game that you can create. So some of our students, that eMaze is another game type tool that you can use to create a presentation. We've got Kaltura, so that's a recording venue. Microsoft products, so there's pages for Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Office. When you get into the Microsoft Office portion, if you want to go in and look at tutorials on each one of these, it shows you how to download the software if you need to do that, and then it has tutorials on each one of the Microsoft Office products that will help you. And here's some specific to PowerPoint in depth. Also, we just have other tools as you scroll down the page. Piktochart is one that's pretty cool. It's an infographic tool. I'm just kind of picking some out. Pikachuka is a presentation tool. So it's kind of like a PowerPoint, but it's a little bit different version, and each slide changes every 20 seconds. So there's one for Prezi. If you're familiar with Prezi, it's another presentation tool venue that you can use. If you have to create surveys, we have Qualtrics. We have all sorts of different tools, that other survey tools that you can use. There's even a typing tutorial here that you can link to. There's all sorts of video and virtual recording tools if you'd like to use some of those. And then we have a link to Zoom, Zotero Reference Manager, and Visme. So there's all sorts of tools in here. Just explore the page, and there's going to be tutorials to link you. And this is just provided as a service. And if you need assistance using these products, I would recommend that you contact the Academic Enhancement Center.